welcome in to the new members and to the old members that have found their way back to the community. I need you just as much as you need me. In this morning's update, we're going to go over, as we can see in front of us, Bitcoin's imploding, down 6.09%, down 3,685 points. We've got XRP down 0.82% at 49.63 cents. We've got the XRP Bitcoin pairing that we're going to have to go over. It's up 5.58%. And yesterday I came on and did a special update at about 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And as you can see in the video, it says the XRP Bitcoin pair is ready to pop. Oversold in weekly time frame. Looks for confirmation above 0.0000820. Well, we got our confirmation above 820. If you remember, I bought in at 808. I was very transparent on the air, and I thought it was an opportunity for everybody. And now it's up 5.58% today. And we are starting to break out here. So we'll take a look at this and see what we need to do. And explore the larger technical target here as well. Very quickly, we'll get into XRP. And then I'll release this on later this morning on this update. I was up until 6 a.m. My son was up throwing up last night. I don't think he was sick or anything. I think it was just a lot of congestion and from the changes of the seasons and stuff, because it was mostly, I don't know how to explain it, but it was more, at the end it was coming out his nose. So no fever, nothing like that. Wasn't sick. He's sleeping good right now. He didn't seem like he was sick with a fever. So I just woke up not too long ago. I got about 4.5 hours of sleep. But I wanted to come on and do this update now. And if this does break out, and this plays out to its true potential, we could be talking about that move up to 1012. We've been talking about it for a while. It's just now, after this breakout. So it was at 816 when I did this update yesterday. When we talked about the breakout pending, it's up about 6. It's up 6.5%. I know personally, on that position, as you guys know, I put $2,400 onto it. It's up about $150 right now. So it's been a very quick swing right now. I'm not looking to get out of the trade or anything like that. But I'll be transparent as we go along. So that's the XRP Bitcoin pairing. So it's nice to see, at least in the times of uncertainty, we're able to find a gem there and make a little bit of money here, because we really felt like it was ready to pop. And then if you look at it from a weekly time frame, this does look like, you know, it's in the midst of its reversal finally. We're finally starting to reverse back to the top side. And we'll see if this is more than just a move up and then a retest, because in the weekly, this definitely needed to come through. So this could be the start of a reversal here. So we'll see how it plays out in the next few days. But now we need to turn our focus on XRP. I wanted to start out with that. Give us a little bit of positivity, since while the rest of the market's red, we were able to tap into the XRP Bitcoin pairing, and we're able to make 5.7%. And it was severely undervalued. We know in the daily, in the monthly, we've had 9 straight red candles. So it could very well be the start of a reversal monthly candle, but we're still underwhelmed. We still got a long ways to go to reverse this. In fact, this monthly, we still got some work to do here. If we want to reverse this fully, we really do need to make a push up here. We're looking pretty good in all time frames. It's trying to break out. We're going to have a correction here at some point. But with the way the market's looking, you should see, I would like to say it can break it up here. We'll see if we can finish off this move to 907 in the short term. But we'll see. We're going to have some kind of consolidation, I'm assuming, as well. What the hell is that? That's what it put down? Oh. Okay. So yeah, I wanted to show that. So now we know where we're at with the XRP Bitcoin pairing. Now let's work our way out. See how we got there. XRP's down 0.72% right now. It's actually holding on very well compared to a lot of other cryptos. You see, we form what looks like a W reversal here with XRP. You've got somewhat of an engulfing candle here in the 2 hourly as well. And you know, you buy support, sell resistance. So now we're looking to see if we can break 505. And that would be our help to push ourselves up. It would be at the 5 cent level. And then if we were to break down, if you lose 48.8 cents and you fall below, that's coming below the falling channel. But right now, this is very interesting. This is very interesting because even though we've been breaking down, even though we are below the cup and handle formation, and that's a technical bearish signal, we haven't been able to follow through yet. We're in this big falling channel now. The longer this goes, the more chance we have of breaking back to the top side. I mean, when you look at this, we've got to eventually, that if this doesn't break down, eventually this is going to, and then it's going to make a bounce back, and then it's going to make a bounce up, and then we're going to say, how the fuck did we get this little inversion on this pattern? But we need it to come back above this handle support here for XRP at 50.9 cents right now. You get back over 50.9 cents, we could make a hell of a rally. It could be a quick one. So I know the market setup here, it looks better for XRP than Bitcoin here. That's all I've been saying. I said, I don't even know if Bitcoin's going to, or XRP is going to go up faster than Bitcoin. It could be a case where Bitcoin rolls over faster than XRP, and that's going to help the XRP Bitcoin pairing explode here. And right now this is nice, but there's a chance at a several 100% movement here. Every single time in the history for the XRP Bitcoin pairing that it's come down like it had. And if you look at this from a monthly perspective, this also helps you get a little bit of an idea here. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 9th red candle right now. Typically, we're in reversal territory. And every time we've come into this zone, we've had movements of at least, if you look at this, and this is intriguing, you get to the V shape, 740%. Down here, you get to the V shape, you know, you're talking up over 1,100%. You get back down here to the V shape, you're talking about 949%. Down here, then you're talking about 250 to 300%. Down here, and now if you look at the technical target, that's about 400%. So yeah, we've started to rally here with the XRP Bitcoin pairing, but this could be just the start as it's up 6.06%. And I would love to know in the comments if anybody took that trade. If anybody took that trade. So that's where we're at right now with that. Bitcoin's down 6.18%. The opposite of the pairing, right? Down 3,750 points, or down to 56,850. And we felt pretty good about this because we know the technical setup for Bitcoin, and it was outside of a technical zone. So now you have to pay the consequences. Now, though, at some point, we would expect Bitcoin to retest, unless Bitcoin's just that out of style right now, that bear flag is going to play out, because we need to technically play down to the technical target of 51,257. See, Bitcoin, unless it's ahead of XRP, because XRP very well could do the same thing. As you see, it was kind of in this little falling formation. And then it decided to come down. Now you could come up and start to create a reversal pattern. We'll see, though. I would love to see Bitcoin to finish out this technical drop point. As we know, the technical drop, you build the length of this formation. We had it down. I just want to show you that I'm not making this up. And then it hits right there. So it's trying to fulfill the technical target of 51,257. And the important thing this morning, folks, is we're below that 58,500, which is the broadening wedge. So now that we've come below here, we technically need to finish this off another 5,000 points roughly. So we'll see, because it's looking beautiful right now if you're a fan of XRP Bitcoin pairing. It's one of the easier trades we've made in a long time. XRP market cap down 99.425 million, down 0.36% to 27.5468 billion. The market cap is still in very dangerous territory, but it worked its way back up. So XRP has a slim chance here that we could pull up. And we've got room here in the RSI, even in the 2 hourly. We've got room. We've got room. We could possibly break up I want to see us try to break up. 505 would be first target. Second target would be up there. Well, 505 is for XRP's actual price action first target. But for market cap, 29.3. But first you would have to break over 20. So 27.6 billion. And if we get over that, 29.3 billion. So basically, if XRP breaks 50.5 cents, then we can target that rising channel breakdown area. And that's right at 52.2 cents. So first area of resistance, 505. Second area of resistance for XRP, 522. But we do know we need to get over 509. So obviously that would be working up past this first resistance. And then to get back into the handle support. It's difficult to say because this is a falling channel right now and it continues. As to where Bitcoin imploded, XRP held serve here. Held serve. We need to go over what happened with the escrow dump here. So I hope it helped with the technical analysis. I hope everybody understands what I was trying to put out here. I hope that you guys are comfortable with the technicals right now. And I hope that some of you made a little bit of money here, or at least are in a good trade right now, up 6.4% right now to start the morning. So that's all I try to do, is I try to find gems. And as I've been saying, I try to find opportunity. So with that being said, good morning. 11:52 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Wednesday, May 1st, 2024. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. If you are watching on this beautiful morning, please make sure to hit that like button so YouTube can recommend my content. It'll allow it to turn up when you guys are searching through your feeds. Even if it's somebody new who's never heard of us, you'll be able to see me through the YouTube news feed and allow me to get my content out there. I greatly, greatly appreciate that. To the subscribers of Tom's Army, thank you for the continued support. As it is the start of a new month, so all I ask is one YouTube super chat per month as this month goes on, if you have it within your means. Or consider joining Tom's Army to pay it forward. You get the emoji badge of me being abducted by aliens in month 1. And next month, I should be able to unveil, once it gets released, a 3-year badge, as some are up to 35 months now, which is awesome. Other than that, if you're looking to trade XRP or your favorite crypto, well, XRP, if you're looking to trade XRP, video description below and or pinned comments. There's BITUNIX, lowest spot and leverage trading fees in the USA. Don't get hammered by exchanges like Uphold where they charge you an arm and a leg. Trust me, I've been there. Or you don't need a VPN, no KYC unless you do bank-to-bank account. But if you're doing it from exchange to exchange, you don't need to do a KYC. And then if you're looking for the XRP Bitcoin pair, which I must say it's a little late today because it's up, over 7% from when we talked about buying it. Actually, it's up about closer to 10% now. When I told the audience at 816. So pay attention to that. But if you're looking to trade that pairing, video description below and or pinned comments, there's MEXC. Take advantage of that. They have very low spot fees, if any, right now. But USA users aren't welcome. So you have to figure that out unless you're a user already. But if you're around the world, make sure you pay attention to MEXC. That's in the description below. So now let's get into the escrow unlock. The old escrow. So 248 million in XRP unlocked from escrow. So here we go. So over $248 million in XRP unlocked from escrow amid market decline. Ripple, a prominent player in the blockchain space, has made a major move by unlocking 500 million XRP from escrow. And this happens every single month, 1 billion total. And it happened to be the first of the month. From escrow, sending Ripple across the crypto market, the release amounting to a staggering $248,531,377 was revealed via Whale Alert, a platform tracking large cryptocurrency transactions. The unlocking event is not an isolated incident, but rather part of Ripple's established strategy. On a monthly basis, the company typically frees up 1 billion XRP from escrow, a process that often unfolds across multiple transactions. Given this pattern, it is reasonable to anticipate further transactions in the near future. So 500 million XRP unlocked from escrow from an unknown wallet. And Ripple's escrow strategy is designed with several objectives in mind. While the immediate influx of XRP on the market might temporarily affect prices, the overreaching goal is to maintain liquidity and support the seamless execution of cross-border transactions. Importantly, the majority of the released XRP is promptly re-escrowed. This underscores Ripple's commitment to the long-term market stability. In addition, this strategic approach by the company is particularly relevant in the current regulatory climate, marked notably by Ripple's ongoing legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Today's announcement coincided with a broader downturn in the cryptocurrency market as investors awaited the outcome of the Federal Open Market Committee FOMC meeting, which included discussions on interest rates. Against this backdrop, the unlocking of XRP from escrow has fueled speculation about its potential impact on the crypto's price trajectory. At the time of reporting, XRP's price experienced a modest decline of 2.9%, settling at 48.8 cents. However, the price is down 20.25% during the last 30 days, showing the bearish sentiment for XRP. Despite this dip, the 24-hour trading volume surged by a significant 54.09% to 1.66 billion, indicated heightened market activity and investor engagement. Ripple's decision to unlock XRP from escrow is a strategic move reflective of the company's commitment to its long-term vision amid a complex and dynamic market landscape. As stakeholders monitor the unfolding repercussions of this significant release, it is likely to spark further discussions and analysis within the community in the days to come. So we definitely had that with XRP. And then I want to get into a reading with XLM, and then we'll end with the XLM chart. So stellar price prediction as XLM retraces 5.4% with market drop is the time to load up. XLM has fallen by 3% in the past 24 hours, with the stellar price dropping to 10.5 cents on a day when the wider crypto market has suffered a 7% decline. The coin is now 12% in a week and by 23% in the last 30 days, although it holds on to a 12% gain during the calendar year. Such percentages are disappointing in relation to the returns recorded by other major tokens recently, yet they invite the possibility that XLM may compensate with above-average gains in the near future. Stellar price prediction as XLM retraces 5.4% with the market. Are we ready to load up on XLM is the question. XLM charts reflects its weakness at the moment, although its indicators are now at a point where recovery is in order. For example, Stellar Relative Strength Index Purple fell below 20 yesterday, the 20-day moving average yesterday, and has dipped strongly again this morning, raising the probability of a rebound. Likewise, the coin's 30-day average, orange, has now fallen so far below its 200-day, which is in the blue, that it's only a matter of time before it begins rising again. In this context, it will be interesting to see whether XLM's support level green will prevent a drop below 1040. If it doesn't, we could see further losses in the near term, even if the coin remains in a strongly oversold position. Extreme fear for the token. I'm not so scared right now. Yada, yada, yada. Send it down to 10 cents to fill my buy orders. This remains a strong possibility given the markets are expecting this week's Federal Reserve meeting to reveal that. Yet the overall health of the market and industry would indicate that eventually prices are going to recover from this period of pessimism. This is particularly the case of XLM, which the market has arguably oversold for months now. While Stellar, it has been growing usage as a payment network, which is intended to use Q1 24 is in the books, and Stellar still shines. As such, XLM should perhaps be much higher than its current price, which is more of a reflection. So assuming that the wider market can recover, the Stellar price is likely to reach 15 cents by the end of summer. You might also like XRP price prediction, yada, yada, yada. So that's what they're talking about with XLM. And now let's get into the XLM chart, as we could be, on the verge of a reversal if we hold 10.5 cents. So again, this pattern's evolved. We can take it with us. I always love when the pattern evolves, because then we can actually see what the consolidatory phase is looking like. And right now it came down pretty nicely. We could just go like this just to keep it clear. And then we're going to attempt some kind of reversal if, and only if, well, this is actually pretty interesting for XLM. We could come from this side, cut off our resistance. Nah, I don't even like that. I'd rather go like this. I can see something that could possibly be building here, and I think this is what we need to do. Just give me a second so I can set this up. this is what's going on with XLM. This is XLM in a nutshell. So XLM needs to get over this resistance. Currently trying to put in a V-shaped recovery. We need to get over 10,738. And then obviously there's a wide drop here though. If it does push back down, that's a 4% drop back down to 10.24. So you buy support, sell resistance. So if you're looking to buy support, you missed this one so far. But we'll see how it works out here in the shorter time frame. In the hourly 30-minute, I mean, it does look like we are trying to attempt some kind of reversal here. We'll have to watch overall market dynamics here as we go forward. But that looks like a nice correction and trying to hold here. So we'll see if we can get a little bit of momentum building up here. But with that being said, I'm going to release this update. It's much later than I normally do. I appreciate each and every one of you this morning giving me the time on my channel to come watch and see what was going on. Other than that, please make sure to hit that like button as you walk out so that YouTube will recommend this update. It will greatly, greatly help me advance my content, and I'd be greatly appreciative. So have a blessed morning. Don't let your emotions dictate what's going on here. Come to an educated and informed decision here. And then go forward like that. Don't make a decision based on, you know, your emotion, based on the fact that things are breaking down. Don't do yourself the disservice, ladies and gentlemen. Just pay attention to the current ebb and flows of the market. Continue to watch the updates because I will keep you updated very transparently. I have no idea what happened to my XLM chart, but I'll put it back up after I release this. Have a blessed morning, everybody.